country is tobacco banned? A. Bhutan, B. Singapore, C. Norway. Correct answer is A. Bhutan. Which state in India has the highest rate of child marriage? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. West Bengal. Correct answer is B. Bihar. Which state in India has the cheapest petrol? A. Goa, B. Andaman and Nicobar, C. Mizoram. Correct answer is B. Andaman and Nicobar. McDonald's is a company from which country? A. United Kingdom, B. United States, C. France. Correct answer is B. United States. What was the old name of Mahabharat? A. Bharat Katha, B. Jaya Sanhita, C. Kuru Vansh Katha. Correct answer is B. Jaya Sanhita. Which state in India consumes the most water? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. What is the top government job in India? A. IAS, B. IPS, C. IFS. Correct answer is IAS. What is the Central Bank of India? A. State Bank of India, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Bank of Baroda. Correct answer is B. Reserve Bank of India. Which country produces the least number of films? A. Malta, B. Bhutan, C. Liberia. Correct answer is B. Bhutan. Who is the most protected person in India? A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Home Minister. Correct answer is A. Prime Minister. Which country does not have a single news channel? A. North Korea, B. Vatican City, C. Maldives. Correct answer is B. Vatican City. Which vitamin is found in soybeans? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin B. Correct answer is C. Vitamin B. Which city in India is known as the Gateway? A. Mumbai, B. India Gate, C. Delhi Darwaja. Correct answer is A. Mumbai. Which country's currency note features an image of Lord Ganesha? A. Sri Lanka, B. Indonesia, C. Thailand. Correct answer is B. Indonesia. Which river is called the Ganga of South India? A. Kaveri, B. Godavari, C. Krishna. Correct answer is A. Kaveri. Where is the purest water found in the world? A. Brazil, B. Canada, C. Finland. Correct answer is C. Finland. What is the most expensive substance in the world? A. Antimatter, B. Diamond, C. Platinum. Correct answer is A. Antimatter. Which country operates the highest number of trains? A. India, B. USA, C. China. Correct answer is B. USA. Which country has the strictest laws in the world? A. North Korea, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Singapore. Correct answer is C. Singapore. When is World Meteorological Day celebrated? A. The 23rd of March, B. The 22nd of April, C. The 5th of June. Correct answer is A. The 23rd of March.